They were about 100 miles off the Surfside Marina in 1,700 feet of water.
Storm capable of producing water spouts and wind for greater. Located near High Island 63, moving southeast at 25 knots. Locations impacted include Booby 42,035, High Island 63, and High Island 157.
This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southeast Texas. For the rest of this afternoon and tonight, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will be possible through the mid-to.
Oh, real. Booby trap, get tight, sucker. Woo! When's gonna jump?
It's fixing to jump.
It's a jumper. See him? Yeah, I see him, barely. Yeah, we can see color. Push it forward just a little. It's big, yeah. It's on his side. Yeah, it's like mustard. Yeah, what? Oh! No, you're getting tight. Big, like big. Dude, I can see it. We can see it. We don't even have the leader yet, dude. We can see it. It's big like the back of the boat. Coming up. Coming up. I don't want it that close to me. Hey, see the white on it? Don't scare it. Whatever you do. Don't try to eat me. Too little. See it. Was that a spawner? That big around. It was a beast. It was big. That's a 800-pound swordfish. I'm gonna say 800 pounds. Yeah, it's that big around. We had a shot. We may not get another shot. Came up, you know what I mean? Came up, let us look at it. You have a swordfish on it. It might be 1,000 pounds. You have a giant swordfish. This is the swordfish we've been looking for. Oh, did you see it? Big. It looks like a nice fish here. I don't think he's really figured out he's hooked yet. Dude, are you gonna fight this all night or what? Nah, I'll get it before. The sooner the better, right? Here we still sit, or here still Mike sits in the chair. We're working on 2 hours. Coming up on 2 hours. Got a nice one. Hours later. Day and night on the booby trap. Tight, sucker. Big fish. Get tight, sucker. That's a nice one, dude. Got a swordfish fever. Tonka. It's a big one. Tight, sucker.
LP Disco Dynamite is now on the market. Don't go sword fishing without it.
Hey John, unbelievable. Get tight, sucker. Get tight, sucker. What's happening? Hey, sucker! Nice one. Nice one. Tight, sucker! Trap. Get tight, sucker.
Get tight, sucker. Get tight, sucker.
All right, Jeff, what we have here today is the traditional swordfish starboard, the booby trap, swordfish starboard.
Swordfish starboard.
Yes, we have Mike Hoppus here. Captain Jeffrey Wilson fixing to. He's got it already. That is a nice one.
Is that a good one?
That's a good one, yeah, that's a good one. Taylor has caught a 400-pound swordfish, and due to the fact that it is so big, she's got to eat another one, even though she ate one last week. So, let's get Taylor's. Absolutely not. No, you'll be just fine. Trust me. Oh, that's a nice one, Taylor. That's a nice one.
Yes, sir.
Would anybody else like one? John, I think that since Taylor is eating hers, you need to have a Swordfish Starburst.
Why would I want another Swordfish Starburst?
There's nothing to do with wanting. I think you should have one. We need another Swordfish Starburst.
Be one with your daughter.
Yes. Once you eat the Swordfish Starburst, you will become one with the swordfish.
I already did that.
And how big? And your swordfish got 4 times as big as your last one.
Look at that. Oh, you getting ready?
You will be one with the swordfish soon, my brother. Papa Joe, we got one left. You want it?
Come join us.
Come join us. Come on, Papa Joe.
Yeah, you know mine was cold in it.
These are ice cold. Ice cold. Here he comes. We got Papa Joe. Everybody give him a hand. Papa Joe's going to have another one.
You better have something.
Papa Joe has decided to have a Starburst with us and renew his vows with the swordfish.
He's
Renewing his vows with the swordfish. These are ice cold.
Yeah, but ours got kind of cold. This is good. Because he already had them.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Man.
Nice one there, Papa Joe.
Yeah, we about ready?
Alright. Okay, everybody get together here. Grab your swordfish bill there, Taylor.
Oh, we got 4 here? Okay.
Y'all get real close together. I ain't got y'all in. Alright.
Oh, you have?
We shall be one with the swordfish.
That's right.
Say, get tight, suckers.
Get tight, sucker.
There he goes. Down the hatch. You gotta chew him up. Oh, no. No. You got it?
Pretty good. That's pretty good.
No water. No. You gotta chew it. Taylor.
Taylor had a little ganger.
Come on, you got it.
Wax.
You got it? Oh, chew it up, John. Come on. You got it, brother. Pig nuts, brother.
Just think of them naked survivors.
You got it.
Just think of it.
I think John's having trouble. He's having trouble. Oh, done. Welcome to the booby trap.
Hey, I didn't even have to check. It's got kind of a
Nasty flavor.
no, I'm sitting here, man. Brad said, "Hey, I've renewed my vows now." Hey, it was pretty good though. I didn't even chase nothing down with it. You know, those ones we had were kind of, they were on ice. This was a fresh one cut out. So, y'all, where y'all